Hey everyone, welcome back to our kitchen. Today we are making a delicious and flavorful chicken curry. This recipe is super easy to make. Before starting the recipe, if you are new to our channel, click on subscribe button. Let's get started. Start by adding 1 cup of oil in a pan. Once heated, add 4 sliced onions and fry them until they turn a beautiful golden brown. Once they are done, remove the onions from the oil, crush them and set aside. Now take 5 tomatoes and 6 to 7 green chilies, blend them together until smooth and set this mixture aside. To the same pan add 2 black cardamom and fry them for a minute. Now add 1 kg of chicken, give it a nice mix, add 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste, fry the chicken for about 3 to 4 minutes. Now add 1 tablespoon of salt, mix well, then add 1.5 tablespoon of coriander powder, half tablespoon of turmeric powder, half tablespoon of red chili powder, half tablespoon of garam masala powder and 1 tablespoon of crushed cumin. Stir everything well and cook chicken with these spices for 4 to 5 minutes. Now add blended tomatoes and green chilies, mix it all together, cover the pan and let it cook for 10 minutes. Once done, add crushed fried onion. Stir it well, then pour 1 cup of water and let it cook on low flame for another 4 to 5 minutes. For the final touch, garnish with 2 tablespoons of chopped coriander, cover and let it simmer. And there you have it, delicious chicken curry is ready to serve. Hope you guys like this recipe. Do try this out. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more delicious recipes. Enjoy. Happy cooking.